As I took the pieces out of the box, I had everything I needed for a quick setup. I had the power brush, tube, and handheld part of the vacuum, as well as 2 accessories to use with the handheld vacuum, a charger, and a port for hanging your vacuum on the wall. What's nice about the storage port is it has an attachment to where you can hang your 2 handheld brush attachments right and store them all in the same spot as your main vacuum. Setup was really easy. I clicked together the 3 main parts of the vacuum in 2 easy snaps, and with that, my vacuum was all ready to go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and trying out the Tineco PWRHERO 11 cordless vacuum. I just got this vacuum from Walmart on a great sale. I'm really excited to give it a try. I've heard good things about it, and I want to see if it can perform at the level of a more expensive cordless vacuum. I went ahead and unboxed this vacuum yesterday, put it together as you saw in the beginning of this video, and let it charge. In order for your battery to get a full charge, it's going to have to be plugged in for about 4 to 5 hours. So today I'll be trying out the full vacuum with the base component, in addition to just the handheld vacuum. The handheld vacuum has 2 attachments that come with it. The first is a brush component, as you can see here. The second is for getting into corners, crevices, and more of a detail tool. Both of these just snap right onto your handheld vacuum, clip right into place, and you can detach them super easily. A couple other features on this Tineco vacuum. You've got your battery pack here that attaches into your handheld component. It's got a blinking light that will be notated right here on the side. So as it's charging, it'll be blinking. Once it's got a full charge, the button will stay bright blue and then it'll turn off. The last is that there are 3 power modes on the Tineco vacuum. You've got low, medium, and max. They all live on the same button, so you just click from low to medium to max all on that main button. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss one of my future uploads. Let's go ahead and give this vacuum a try.
Outside looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the highwaves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was.
One of the features that's really nice on this cordless vacuum is that when you hold down the trigger to turn it on, there's a locking mechanism you can use so that you don't have to sit there and hold the trigger button down for the entire time that you're vacuuming. That's huge, it's gonna save your finger. So that is already one of my favorite things just in testing this out a little bit. Next, I wanted to try out the 2 attachments for the handheld vacuum. I started by seeing how they worked picking up hair and dust off of my desk around the base of my computer monitor. I really liked how the crevice tool curved right around the base and can see how it would work well for getting into corners or tight spaces. Next, I went ahead and poured out a few leftover sunflower seeds onto my kitchen counter to see how the brush head would pick up bigger items. The first 2 rows I did back and forth were on low power mode, and that was not cutting it, so I increased to medium power and found that that was enough to pick up the seeds well. The last test I wanted to run with the handheld attachments was seeing what dust they could pull out of my bathroom exhaust fan. It did an okay job at pulling the dust out of the fan, but didn't quite have the suction power, even on max power mode, that it needed to get all of the dust out. So I found that despite going over it twice, there was still a good bit of dust left in between the crevices of the fan. Right away, one thing that I love about this vacuum, it's pretty lightweight overall, and it's got a fun color. It's a beautiful teal color, which just makes it nice, as it's got a port that you can nail into the wall, and you can leave it to charge, so it'll be out in the open, and especially living in an apartment, I like when the vacuum is actually attractive, so that when it's hanging on the wall, it's not an eyesore. Now that I've had a chance to try out the brush head of the vacuum on both hard floors and carpet, as well as the 2 handheld attachments in a variety of tests, it was time to finish cleaning the floors in my apartment. Stay tuned to see what gets collected in the dustbin of the vacuum after the full cleaning is done. Thanks for coming along with me today as I've tested out the Tineco PWRHERO vacuum. All in all, I've been very impressed with this vacuum. For the price that I paid and the power that I've seen in this vacuum, the different features it has, the ability to turn into a handheld vacuum, its battery life, all in all, I would say it is absolutely worth the purchase, especially when you consider it's $600–700 cheaper than some of the more expensive cordless vacuums on the market. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link the Tineco PWRHERO vacuum in the description of this video in case you want to check it out and buy one for yourself. So be sure to check out that description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.